Hey there! Ready to supercharge your designs with real-time data? I'm Paula, your DataPocket assistant. And in just a few clicks, you'll connect your WooCommerce store to your favorite design tools effortlessly. Log into your WordPress account. Go to Plugins. Add a new plugin. Type DataPocket to search for the plugin, then click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Now the DataPocket plugin is installed. Go to the left panel and click on it. You'll see an URL and a password. We will use this info on DataPocket to link our WooCommerce, so don't close this window yet. Log into DataPocket or create a new account. You can use your Google account to log in. Welcome to DataPocket. Add a new data source. Choose WooCommerce and click Continue. Do you remember the URL and the key from the DataPocket plugin that we've installed in WordPress? Time to use them! Copy the URL. Now paste it on DataPocket. Repeat the process with the key. Copy it. Paste it on DataPocket and click Submit to finish the process. Well done! Your WooCommerce is linked. You can now go to Figma, Canva, or Adobe Express to design. Let's begin by installing the DataPocket plugin. Click the right mouse button. Go to Plugins, Manage Plugins, and search DataPocket. We are using the DataPocket samples for this tutorial, but remember, you can use the WooCommerce products that you've just connected. This is our plant app example, which includes images, text, and prices. I'll start by choosing a product from the product list. Next, I select an image from my design and click on the one I want to replace it with. I'm going to replace the 3 images that I have in my product page. Then, I select the title from my design and click on the text field I need. I also want to add a little description. Finally, I'll finish the design by replacing the price. Perfect! Your design is ready. Let's go back to the product list. Select your design. Now, the data autofill buttons are enabled. This is where the magic begins. Click the Data Autofill button on a product. See how the image and title automatically change in just one click. Fast, isn't it? Now, imagine that you want to do the same with multiple designs, all at the same time. Select them all and click the wand button. See how the designs have automatically changed in a matter of seconds. Easy peasy. Now it's your turn. I can't wait to see how your products will look with this trick. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting updates.